Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Hi, I'm Priyanshi. I'm a 30-year-old living in Dubai trying to make 30s the best decade of my life. So, today I'm going to talk about my weight loss journey. Now, I've lost more than 18 kgs of weight, not once, but twice in my entire life. I'll be putting what I learned, my tips, and all of that in at the end of the video. So watch till the end if you want to know that. And of course, I'll be putting timestamps if you want to jump and go there. So yeah, for thinking about my weight loss journey, I have to go a long time back into my childhood. I was always a fat kid, In school, my friends used to call me all the names, and at one point of time, I just literally stopped caring. It kind of became my identity. I was not able to shop for good clothes. I used to struggle every time I went into the trial rooms, and most of my shopping trips became like cry fests because of that. Every year, every month, I would think that today is the day that I will eat well, today is the day I'll start exercising. And every time it used to fall flat. And so that's how I grew up. That's a little bit of my background. Cut to, I go to college. There's a lot of changes in my life, a lot of stress of college studies. I did my BDS, dental surgery. So, you know how stressful medical college is, right? So, yeah, it was a stressful time. There was a lot to learn, there was a lot to study, there was a lot to be done. And fitness kind of took a back burner. I just stopped thinking about it. Now, cut to the last year, final year of my college. My mom pointed it out one day that I need to do something about my weight. Not only for the aesthetics, of course, that's a very important part of it, but also for my health. My health was deteriorating. And then she made it her mission, and I made it mine to get on track. That is when I actually started seriously looking into fitness. And I lost, I think, around 25 kgs of weight at that time. Now, the point over here, how was I able to lose so much of weight all of a sudden, is because, of course, I was dedicated. Of course, it was my willpower. But at the same time, I had all the time in the world. I had readily cooked meals at home. I did not have to think about or care about what I'm going to eat, how I'm going to make it, etc. etc. So, yeah, I lost weight, but was it really sustainable? Is the question. Yes, it felt really good. I fit into all the amazing clothes, and I really loved the new me, if you want to say it like that. So, yeah, that's what was the first time I lost weight. What I actually learned at that time was that for losing weight, it's very, very important to not only spend that time in the gym, but also to make sure that you are not a couch potato outside the gym. Outside the gym, also, you are doing some sort of a movement, you are active throughout the day, and a very important part is played by nutrition. So that's what I learned after I lost the weight for the first time. Then I moved to a different city for my job, and life happened. And again, fitness took a back burner. Moving on to coming to Dubai. So I came to Dubai in 2021, and Dubai is a place which makes you feel its own from day one. I felt so good here. I had a lot of different foods to try. There's so many things that you can eat, such tasty food that you can have. It is a new city, it was new experiences, new kind of a job experience. And again, in all of that, my fitness took a back burner. It was a new job. I was really busy. I didn't care what I was putting in my body, what I was doing with my fitness. I thought, let me pause all of that. Let me first focus on settling down here, and then I will move on to fitness. It's okay, it can wait, right? But a month, 2 months, 3 months, a year, 2 years, and fitness did not come to the forefront. And that is when I gained around 20 kgs back. Now, see, this is not only about the weight, but also about how I felt in my body. I am a teacher. I need to stand and take lectures. I need to be standing like almost 3 to 4 hours of my entire day while taking lectures. So, what started happening was because of all that weight I gained, I started having health troubles. Standing and taking lectures for a long time was a pain. I found myself getting breathless very quickly. You know, I did not feel good in my gut. I don't know what I was eating, and I literally felt crap, right? The turning point was looking at this photo of mine. Now, the thing is, there was a time when I had literally stopped taking pictures. I literally stopped going out for shopping because all of that started to show me the truth, and I did not want to see it at that time. And I was in my Delulu world. But then, when I looked at this picture of mine, I realized how deep I was in it and how bad it had gotten. That is when it struck me that I've put my fitness for a long time on the back burner. It's time to bring it in the forefront. And since I was in this kind of a busy schedule, I also felt like it was time to take help. And this is another tip from me: never shy away from taking help. It's okay, I thought I knew everything about diet, and I thought that I knew everything about exercise, and I thought that I'll get back whenever I want to, like it's difficult or something. But then I realized that I need help. I need to contact a nutritionist or a personal trainer and make sure that I am losing the weight in a right manner. This is another tip from me, guys. It's all about mindset. When I used to eat, I used to feel like I need to eat all of what is there on the plate, even if I'm full. When I used to get food, I used to take food like there was no tomorrow. That was the situation I was in. I had started ignoring my hunger cues. I did not know what my hunger cues were at that time. Shout out to Zelocity and his team. I did not need to finish everything that was there on the plate. It was okay if I had just one cookie from the entire box. The box is going to be there tomorrow also, is what I started thinking and letting go. I also took help of a personal trainer. I fell back in love with the gym. I really understood how much it makes a difference to my mood for the entire day. Earlier, I lost that 25 kgs in a matter of 6 or 7 months. This time, I lost weight around 19-20 kgs in an year. So yes, of course it took longer. Of course I had aged, and that does play a role. But this time I made my weight loss sustainable. I made it by changing my mindset. I did it on my own with a job. So how did I do it? What are the tips that I have for you? If you are coming here thinking that I will give you some magic tip which will make you lose weight like that, not gonna happen. Everything that you need to do on your weight loss journey has to be small, consistent efforts and hard work each day, every day. There will be a point in time where you'll hit the plateau and you'll feel like, I don't know what I'm doing anymore, I'm not losing weight. But the thing is that you still have to show up. You have to celebrate those small wins. There will be times when your weight on the scale will not move, but when you'll measure yourself, you'll find that inches have gone down. So you have to take various different ways in which you are going to measure your success. So all of it is small wins. These wins, when you register them to yourself, help you maintain that consistency. Small steps every day consistently is what is going to help. See, I am not a nutritionist. I am studying to become a personal trainer, but not a personal trainer yet. But I can tell you this much, that if you improve your mindset around food and exercise, if you don't view food and exercise as a punishment or a reward, you just view it as food and exercise, good for me, then you will be able to go on your fitness journey better. One thing is for sure, no one is going to be making you disciplined. No one is going to be responsible for you losing weight. Yes, you can take help from anyone and everyone that you can, but at the end of the day, you have to get up from the damn chair and you have to go to the damn gym and you have to do the exercise. You have to get up, you have to do that meal plan, you have to eat the food that you are supposed to be eating. Of course, eating outside food a day or two is not going to change anything, but at the same time, all of that effort is going to culminate in your weight loss journey. So that's what I learned from mine. Let me know what you learned from yours. And if there are any questions regarding weight loss, fitness, you can put them in the comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Bye bye.